How to turn off live notifications on TikTok. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to disable TikTok live alerts. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Here, you'll find different notification settings for your TikTok account. Now, look for Live Notification setting and tap on it. You'll see options related to live broadcasts from Get Live Notifications from accounts you follow. Simply turn off the toggles for the live notifications you no longer want to receive. Once disabled, TikTok will stop sending those live alerts to your device, helping you reduce distractions and keep your notifications organized. And that's it. That's how to turn off live notifications on TikTok. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips, settings guides, and easy how-to tutorials.